What's the meaning of breezily? Breezily. Breezily.
Breezily. Breezily. The word breezily is an adverb that describes someone or something that is done in a cheerful, carefree, and easygoing manner. When someone does something breezily, they do it without any worries or stress, and with a sense of relaxed confidence. It could refer to a person's attitude towards a task or their approach to a conversation. The result of someone doing something breezily is often a positive one, as it suggests a level of competence and ease in completing the task at hand. It can also help to create a friendly and relaxed atmosphere in social situations.